Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be looking at this Invicta Pro Diver automatic watch that I bought on Amazon around 5 to 6 years ago. This is maybe one of the best budget diver automatic watches with a Seiko movement that you can find out there. As you can see, the watch is going to come in this classic yellow Invicta cardboard box. You will also have the warranty card. Then you are going to pick up your watch. You are going to have a lot of links. I took off a few, as you can see right here. We also have the yellow Invicta tag right here, so that is something really cool. You also have the QR code, and this is the watch, so with the automatic movement, the stainless steel bracelet, and let's give it a shake to see that it is going to jumpstart immediately. As you can see right there, we have the date complication here at 3 o'clock with this Cyclops, so something really cool. Yes, it resembles a very popular brand out there, but it has the Invicta logo all over it, so most of you are going to enjoy this watch for sure. As you can see, we have the Invicta logo right there. We also have the Invicta logo when it comes to the seconds hand, as you can see right there. And here on the side we have once again Invicta. We also have the signed buckle where it also says Invicta, and we have the logo as well. When it comes to the back, we have this very beautiful back, see-through back, so you can actually see the Seiko movement, the NH35 movement. This is a very old model, and it had this very nicely engraved, so custom made by Invicta rotor, yellow rotor. I believe that on newer models you won't be able to find this anymore, but hopefully you will be able to do that. So we have the screw down back that is going to ensure the water resistance of 200 meters, and also a screw down crown, as you can see right here. We are going to unscrew it. Here you can actually wind the watch, so it has both the manual winding option and the automatic movement, so you have both features within this Seiko NH35 movement. Very reliable, so it keeps very good and accurate time. You have this rotating bezel, so you have a very nice sound as well. You can easily pull it to the last position in order to set the time, and as you can see, we have a hacking as well. So this means that the seconds hand has stopped. Also here on the dial we can see automatic, professional, 200 meters of water resistance. This is the 40mm version, and as you can see, this is how it looks on the wrist. I have a medium-sized wrist of 6.5 inches or 165 millimeters, 16.5 centimeters. You can also pick this watch in various colors, various dial colors. You can also have it in gold tone, so the bracelet, you have a lot of options out there. So I'm pretty sure that you are going to find one that is right for you, because this is a must-have in your collection, guys. So make sure to check it out, because I'm pretty sure you are going to love it. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos. As you can see, I have a bunch of other watches that I need to unbox, so make sure to check them out. And also, if you are into vintage watches, guys, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Once again, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on the YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.